Got another question that just came in. Are meals provided? The answer to that is not at the moment, no. We are looking at doing something for the guests once a week. Not sure if it's a breakfast or a dinner yet, but something is in the works. Be towards the end of your week, so you can have the night off and you don't have to worry about cleaning up and getting to leave the next day. But there is enough fish around here that if you brought food for 2 or 3 days, provided the weather was really good and you didn't get rained out every day, you'll be just fine. As well as you can go into town 5-10 minutes away, and like I say, there's food trucks in there, grocery store, do all the amenities you would need if you did happen to run out. As well as all the cabins are fully equipped with cooking items. Each one has its own barbecue, utensils, cutlery, plates, dishes, pots, pans, glasses, everything you need. So you're pretty well all set just on what you want to eat.